Before you start popping bottles and celebrating your graduation with your loved ones, we have to get down to business first. Graduating from college in a timely manner is no easy task, but it can be done. In the College Success Manual, the Plan Towards Graduation section will help you formulate your graduation plan. So grab your number 2 pencil for this section of the College Success Manual and let's get to work. The Plan Towards Graduation consists of squares where each square represents an academic semester, and each square is labeled with the semester and academic year, which you will fill out, along with the class that you intend to take. The goal of each square is to write out your classes so you have a vision of the amount of classes you need to take in order to graduate in a timely manner. You can fill out the squares after talking with your academic advisor about your general education courses, required courses, intended major courses, and other requirements needed to graduate, such as an internship. Or you can fill out the squares on your own after looking over the university course catalog. I recommend you talk with your advisor first before filling out the squares. You wouldn't want to miss out on an important note that you need to complete in order to graduate. Don't worry about making changes, such as needing to take more courses or if you change majors. Classes are not set in stone, and you can make changes at any time. Remember, I did say to use a number 2 pencil. What is set in stone is your goal of graduating in a timely manner, unless you intend to stay in college for a long time. Make sure you keep the graduation plan in a protected folder, either on your desk or somewhere safe and not somewhere like at the bottom of a pile of papers. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started with the planning so we can move along and celebrate your graduation.